Do you ever find yourself looking around at other people's websites and thinking, that's a nice website, that's a nice website, that's a nice website? How is everyone so good at design and my websites look like this? This was me not that long ago, and I can tell you from experience, it's an annoying situation to find yourself in. You have all these great website ideas, but when you actually go to build your website, you end up spending so much of your time making sure that the design is half decent, that the actual content of the website doesn't get any attention. And by the time you get to the point where you're kind of happy with how the website looks, you're just over the whole thing and you've lost motivation. I've been there. Now, there's good news and there's bad news. The bad news is you are rubbish at design. The good news is this doesn't actually matter. And what's more, it can actually be seen as a positive thing. Now, I know you're thinking, a good thing? How is being rubbish at design a good thing? That makes no sense. Well, let me explain. While it is possible to be good at multiple things, it's very difficult to be exceptional at multiple things. Alex Hormozy has made this point multiple times, and he basically says you can only be great at a few things, so pick wisely. If I can find the clip of him saying that, I'll play that now. We can't find it? Okay, I'll just cut out all that Hormozy stuff. Yeah, let's cut out the whole thing. As I always say, and I think I'm probably the first person to say this, you can only be great at a few things, so pick wisely. Because to become truly great at something, you're going to have to put in days, weeks, years, decades to become truly great at that thing. So what does this mean in relation to websites? Well, it means if you're not good at design, then you've got a decision to make. Either you spend 10,000 hours of your life becoming a master of design, in which case your development skills will suffer, or you continue to focus on web development and become an exceptional web developer, in which case your design skills won't improve. Now, I know what you're thinking, this doesn't make my websites look any better, this doesn't help me in any way, you're an idiot. And you would be right in thinking that. But luckily for you, there is a cheat code for this. A cheat code that means you never have to worry about design again. And I'm going to reveal this cheat code to you very shortly. But first, a word from this guy. Hello, if you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe. Also, while I've got you, let me know what your favourite fish is in the comments below. I'll go first. It's pike. Their teeth point backwards. Have a great day. Enough of that. It's time for me to reveal the secret. The secret of how everyone else is building amazing looking websites. The secret they don't want you to know. The secret that means people assume you have a potato instead of a brain when they look at your websites. The secret that it's Tailwind component libraries. Now you know the secret. Now you know what everyone else is doing. Now you know why everyone else seems to be so good at design. And it's because they also aren't good at design. The real secret is that most developers aren't good at design. And they don't need to be. Because they outsource the design to a component library. So if you aren't already doing this, maybe you should. Or alternatively, you can spend the next 10 years getting good at designing for yourself. The choice is yours.